Here's the initial login page where the parent will be brought to once they access the site to submit an application. From this login screen, they can continue with Google or with Facebook, or click here to create an account. From here, parent must provide first name, last name, preferred language, email, and confirm. Then they must provide a phone number and preferred communication, text messages or emails, or they can choose both as a preferred communication method. And lastly here, they must create a password. Okay, so from here they have the option, of course, to get started to add a student to submit an application. So this is the student lookup screen. If their student currently attends Super Awesome Academy Charter, then they would enter student ID, first name, last name, date of birth to match that student record, or they will choose no to enter as a new student. In the student information screen, they will provide the student's first name, last name, and date of birth. Gender, grade level that they are applying to, and home address. Google Locator will prompt addresses that are near the parent based off of the initial address that they're entering here. They choose that from the drop-down box and it will pre-fill the information. And lastly here on this step is current school. Save and continue. From here, the parent will choose to apply and start the application. Here they must agree to these requirements and policies here. Choose continue. This first student information step will pre-fill the information that was already entered. Here we're going to provide the student's current grade and continue. Next step here is for siblings. If the parent has, if there is a sibling that is currently attending the school, they will choose yes or no. It does default to no. We'll choose yes. You can see the parent is prompted to provide the sibling's first name and last name, date of birth, grade, and school. And here they have the option to add additional siblings. Next, in the guardian information, it will pre-fill the information that was already provided. When creating the account, here they will provide their relationship to the student. Phone number and email is required. Guardian 2 information is here, but not required. Continue. Here, the school selection step, this populates the programs that the student can apply to. You can see it shows the grades and the name of the program here. And lets them know, gives them messaging here of programs that have been selected. Save and continue. One of those programs offers the option to rank. So here they can, from this drop-down box, they will choose how they want to rank those choices as needed. Next step here is for recommendations. Parent has the option that they must provide full name of who they want to send the recommendation request to, full name, email, and a message. And they can add additional recommenders as needed. Continue to the next step here is for signature. We'll provide a signature here and agree here that this signature, they agree to use the above as their electronic signature. Continue. There is an option to book an open house session. They will choose book session. They can scroll through to find the different available sessions. Choose this one here. It allows them to confirm their booking and can edit here. This last step is the review and send page. They can review all the information that was provided. At any step, they can choose this pencil to edit any information as needed. Next, they will submit the application. Once they submit, they are brought back to the parent dashboard. They can view the existing forms that were submitted for their student and have the option here to add a student to submit additional applications.
This is a demonstration of the registration from the Guardian view. So I'm currently logged in as a guardian, and we can see we have several students here. This student has no records or applications or registrations. This student has submitted an application and has accepted their seat, so they're eligible to register. And then this student has an application submitted, so we'll go ahead and view that form. And we can see that that student has been offered a seat. So we have various options here to withdraw, decline, or accept that placement. So we'll go ahead and accept. We're going to confirm that we are accepting that placement. Now the family has the opportunity to register later, or they can go ahead and continue with the registration form. So now we have the form. We'll go ahead and complete the required information. Some of this is already pre-populated from the student profile. Now we'll enter in a phone number, save and continue. Guardian information. Guardian 2 is not required. We'll continue. Next, we have the emergency contacts and pickup list. Emergency contacts 2 and 3 are not required. We'll answer the language survey by choosing English from the drop-down list. Then we have uploads. Birth certificate is required, denoted by this asterisk here. Immunization record is not required, so we'll just grab a file to upload. Okay, now we have that file uploaded. The parent could view that here or delete it and come back and upload something else. So we'll go ahead and save and continue. And now we're ready for guardian signature. Agree to the statement here, save and continue. Now we're on the review and send and final step. This is where the family can review all of the information that they input into the registration form and click to edit. Any of those pencil icons will take the guardian to the place where they can edit that part of the form. So we'll click submit registration. And now we'll see that this student has a registration submitted and their application is submitted. We can click on view submitted forms and we see that their registration is submitted and in processing.